Hello everyone! Today we are introducing the cycle time sheet. This feature allows our CADCAM system to generate a comprehensive cycle time sheet, helping engineers track processing details and improve production efficiency. In the cycle time sheet, you can view all key parameters, including tool information, machining method, feed rate and spindle speed, cutting distance and cutting time. These data points provide a clear overview for evaluating and optimizing production process. Step 1. Open a file and set processing information. First, open RenAn FrankCAM and go to the File menu. If working with an existing project, simply open the file. Next, click Info. Enter Material, Machine Information and Fixture, and other related information. These details are not just for record keeping, they will also be displayed in the report, including machine model, part number and part name, material code and fixture number, programmer and setup number. Step 2. Set up machining process and simulation. Next, follow the standard workflow. Drawing, machining process setup, simulation verification. Once all parameters are set, we can generate the cycle time sheet. In Step 3, look at the upper left corner for a clock icon. This is the cycle time sheet button. Click it to instantly generate the report, which includes detailed data of all process, tools used, machining method, feed rate and spindle speed, cutting distance and cycle time. The lower left corner displays a summary of total time, including actual cutting time, rapid movement time, tool change time. All this information is clearly presented, making production planning and efficiency analysis easier. Step 4. Exporting and adjusting the report. The cycle time sheet can be exported as an Excel file, making it easy to store and analyze. If you need to adjust machining parameters, simply return to Step 3 and make modifications. For example, I change process 6, the tool from tool number 4 to tool number 2. Once changes are made, click the cycle time sheet button again. The system will automatically detect parameter changes. Rerun the simulation. After a simulation, Just simply click Get Data, and the report will be updated instantly. Let's make a conclusion. The advantages of the cycle time sheet. The cycle time sheet makes the machining process more transparent, data-driven, and precise. Monitor production details in real time. Optimize machining parameters for higher efficiency. Automatically update data, saving time and effort. Now, try FrankCAM's cycle time sheet feature to make your production management more efficient and professional. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.